আমাৰ ডেইলি কাৰেন্ট এফেয়াৰ্স ভিডিঅলৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছো সো স্টাৰ্ট কৰো ফাৰ্স্ট অফ কি কৈছে which two artists have been selected for the prestigious Benu Mishra Memorial NRL Award 2025 so কোন দুজন আৰ্টিষ্টক সিলেক্ট কৰা হৈছে কিহৰ কাৰণে for the prestigious Benu Mishra Memorial NRL Award 2025 option A Biju Das and Kajol Soitia option B Jiten Hazarika and Simi Das option C Gautam Prasad Borua and Ranjit Dev Goswami then option D Ranjan Prakash Desai and Simi Das so your correct answer to hobo option B Jiten Hazarika and Simi Das so Xiaomi so Benu Mishra Memorial NRL Award into institute kora hoise jointly by Benu Mishra Memorial Trust and the Guwahati Artists Guild with support from Numaligarh Refinery Limited that is NRL ঠিক আছে মনৰ ৰাখিবা এটো honors the legacy of the eminent artist Benu Mishra এটা 2025 ৰ কাৰণে senior artist Jiten Hazarika, a retired Indian Army colonel from Assam, and young artist Simi Das, an alumna of Indira Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya, Chhattisgarh, were selected. So, they all select kora hoise senior artist Jiten Hazarika select kora hoise, and young artist Simi Das select kora hoise for the Benu Mishra Memorial NRL Award 2025. ठीक है? So the senior artist award carries kiman 1.5 lakh and junior artist award carries 1 lakh along with a memento designed by sculptor Biju Das citation selling sadar and other recognitions ঠিক আছে মন রাখিবা next আমি some next কি কৈছে which city has been ranked as the world's most populated city according to Swiss Air quality monitor IQ Air October 2025 কোনখন সিটি rank কৰা হৈছে as the world's most polluted city বুলি worldৰ ভিতৰত সবতছে polluted city কোনখন বুলি rank কৰা হৈছে according to কি Swiss Air quality monitor IQ Air October 2025 so কাট কৰা হৈছে নিউ দিল্লী কৰাচী তাৰপিছত লাহোৰ ফেছালাবাদ কোকাত কৰা হৈছে option C Lahore ঠিক আছে Lahore ably declare rank kora hoise as the world's most polluted city so according to Swiss Air quality monitor IQ Air Lahore jon ji ase Pakistan was recorded as the world's most polluted city on October 28 2025 with an air quality index of 329 at 9 a.m. and 424 earlier in the morning. The city suffers from high level of PM 2.5 pollutants causing serious health hazards. So, even more polluted hoy suffers from ki boli koise high level of PM 2.5 pollutants aru eto serious health hazards create koribo pare thik ase Karachi was ranked third while other Pakistani cities like Faisalabad and Multan also reported extremely poor air quality indicating a severe public health crisis in Punjab province so highest polluted city to Lahore hoy kintu Karachi ba belek Pakistani cities like Faisalabad and Multan ekhiniu bahut air quality beya boli report kora hoise thik ase next which endangered species has returned to Dikrom grassland in Assam's North Lakhimpur district kuntu endangered bird species ঘুৰি আহিছে to the Dikrom grassland in Assam's North Lakhimpur district কি হ'ব Great Indian bustard ne option B yellow breasted bunting ne Siberian crane ne Amur falcon so option C to correct hobo that is yellow breasted bunting ঠিক আছে So, the Dikrong grassland located near Vipuria in North Lakhimpur district has become a major winter destination for migratory birds. So, Dikrong grassland junto located near Vipuria in North Lakhimpur, etia hoise eta major winter destination for migratory birds. ठीक আছে, among them the yellow-breasted bunting, Emberiza Oriola buliu koa hoy, classified as the critically endangered species by the IUCN list. So, etu monor rakhiba ei species tu ki boli classify kora ase critically endangered. Jetia rare species kini kotha poha tar hekhini species kini IUCN listot kuntu classification at ase hetu hodai sai jaba aru monor rakhiba, thik ase, has been spotted migrating from region as far as Scandinavia to Scandinavia to eastern Himalayas. ठीक है, the bird's presence was first confirmed by Subhratha Lahiri, a PhD researcher from the University of Minnesota, USA, during her study of bird communities 2023 to 24. Local conservation efforts led by Urban Parthok and supported by bird watchers and community vigilance have played a vital role in protecting the species from hunting and habitat loss. So, local conservation effort jono lead korise by Urban Parthok and support korise by birds watchers and community vigilance eta bahut important role play korise in protecting these birds aru তেওঁলোকৰ hunting বা habitat lossৰ পৰা বচাবলৈ বহুত চেষ্টা কৰিছে বা বহুত হেল্প কৰিছে, ঠিক আছে। Next, which country is expected to be severely impacted by Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 storm? So, kunkhon country expect kora hoise je severely affect hobo by Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 storm. So, a Category 5 storm mane hoise a बहुत intense storm junte बहुत catastrophic heri anibo pare, thik ase। So, kun etu Hurricane Melissa pura kuntu country affect hobo boli koise? So, options kita ki ase? Cuba, Jamaica, Bahamas, Haiti. So, Jamaica hobo correct option to option B. So, Hurricane Melissa, it is a Category 5 storm hoy, is set to strike Jamaica, causing catastrophic winds, flood and storm surges. So, Category 5 storms kiniye ki cause koribo pare? Catastrophic wind, flood and storm surges cause koribo pare। So, etia ki koise Jamaica strike koribo boli koise। The US National Hurricane Center Miami reported sustained winds of 250 km per hour and waves up to 13 feet 4 meters, ঠিক আছে। Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness warned that the challenge would be recovery speed due to limited infrastructure resilience. Health and disaster authorities relocated patients and prepared shelters as the hurricane approached, while nearby Cuba also faced heavy rainfall risk, ঠিক আছে। Relief agencies like Red Cross mobilized to assist the affected population. So, next to some. Okay, according to Regional Meteorological Center Guwahati, which cyclone storm is expected to cause rainfall in Assam around October 30 to November 1, 2025. So, Regional Meteorological Center Guwahati mote kuntu cyclonic storm is affected to cause kuntu cyclonic storm karone অসমত 30 অক্টোবৰ পৰা 1 নৱেম্বৰ লৈকে heavy rainfall হ'ব পাৰে বুলি কৈছে। এটো কি হ'ব? অপচন A cyclone Mocha, option B cyclone Monta, option C cyclone Misau and option D cyclone Fani. So option B2 hobo, that is cyclone Monta, okay? So Center Guwahati under the India Meteorological Department predict কৰিছে যে due to influence of cyclone storm Montha, so cyclone Montha karone Montha influence of Okhome experience koribo rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty winds from October 30 to November 1, 2025. ঠিক আছে? The storm centered over the West Central Bay of Bengal was located near Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and was moving northwestwards at a speed of 12 km per hour, expected to make landfall along the Andhra Pradesh coast near Kakinada. ঠিক আছে? Okay, next. The Kuala Lumpur Declaration was adopted during which international event in 2025? So Kuala Lumpur Declaration to ketia kuntu international event 2025 adopt kora hoisile? Option A G20 summit, option B BRICS summit, option C 20th East Asia summit, and option D Asian India commemorative summit. So, kuntot kora hoisile option C 20th East Asia Summit. Okay. So the Kuala Lumpur Declaration was adopted on October 28, 2025 during the 20th East Asia Summit held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It reaffirmed participating countries' commitment to peace, economic cooperation, and regional stability under frameworks like Asian Charter and the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation in Southeast Asia. So, Kuala Lumpur Declaration adopt kora hol ketia 28 October 2025 aru during ketia ihor 20th East Asia Summit junto held hoisile Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. ঠিক আছে? The declaration emphasizes multilateral collaboration, sustainable development, and mutual trust to address regional and global challenges, marking a continuation of earlier declaration from 2010 Hanoi to Hanoi 2015 Kuala Lumpur and 2020 Hanoi. ঠিক আছে? Next to কি কৈছে? England's legendary fast bowler James Anderson was recently knighted at Windsor Castle for his contribution to cricket. Who presented him the honor? So, England's legendary fast bowler James Anderson was recently knighted at Windsor Castle for his contribution to cricket. And kune present korisile eto honor eto option C hobo Princess Anne. ঠিক আছে? So October 28, 2025, James Anderson, one of the England's greatest fast bowlers, was formally knighted at Windsor Castle. The honor was presented by Princess Anne as a part of Rishi Sunak's April 2025 resignation honor list. ঠিক আছে? Formally কোনে প্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছিলে এটো Princess Anne মনৰ ৰাখিবা as a part of Rishi Sunak's April 2025 resignation honors list. Anderson was conferred the title Sir James Anderson Knight Bachelor in recognition of his monumental contribution to cricket. So you are Anderson ki dia hoise title dia hoise as Sir James Anderson Knight Bachelor mane in recognition for his junto monumental contribution as a cricketer etu karone dia hoise. He ranks third on the all time test wicket takers list, which Muralitharan and Shane Warne. The knighthood is among the highest civilian honors of the United Kingdom, symbolizing excellence, integrity and service. So the pronunciation all of mistake hoise etu kitaba hoy jay, so pardon me. Okay azile imanute hamorisu kaile akol log pam. That's all for today. Thank you.